Okay guys, this is going to be how to make a bootable Windows 7 USB, okay? Because some of the tutorials, they don't actually update the boot code and blah blah blah, so we're going to show you how to properly do it. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is put in at least 4 GB USB, as you can see here. It's a 3.72, which is actually a 4 gig. It still has a Windows 7 thing just because I haven't updated it again because it's still in boot. But I'm just going to show you how to do it again. So what you're first going to do, you're going to type in CMD and start, go to command prompt, hit Control Shift and click on it, or you can right click run as administrator. Now you've got this little thingy here. I'm just going to do something quickly. This has got to do with nothing about it. Okay, so what we're going to type in is you have to have administrative privileges, otherwise it won't work. You're going to go disk partitioner. Then, once you're in disk partitioner, you're going to list disk, just to find out which is your USB. As you can see here, make sure you don't do these two, and it'll normally be disk 0, which is your C and D drive. But if you delete that, it'll delete your Windows, and then you're gonna have a bad time. So as you can see here, it's megabyte 3.824, which is basically 4 gig. So we're just gonna go select disk 2, because it's disk 2. Hit that, and now it's selected. We're just gonna clean the disk, removes any existing partitions, basically. So then we're gonna create partition primary. So now it's successfully created. Mark it as active, which makes it in focus partition to active. The firmware, basically, it's just making it saying that the firmware is valid. Okay, now we're going to format the disk. Format, and FS, so file system. Equals to NTFS, which is a file system. It's faster than FAT32, but you can't put it in like PS3s and PlayStations and that. So if you want to redo it, you're just gonna have to format it to FAT32 again. Just gonna hit space. Make sure you type in quick, just so it doesn't take forever. This will take a little bit. Next, we're gonna assign it. So we're gonna assign it a drive letter, which basically, when you go start and it says I and then it's USB, or C is your hard drive. So I'm just going to go assign. It's assigned, as you can see. This has just popped up now. We're just going to type in exit, because that's done for now. You'll see we go back to Windows. Now we're going to open this, and then I'm going to go to my location. So you have like a cracked version of Windows, or you have already dragged the Windows onto your desktop. You're going to go to wherever it is, which is C, and then I think mine's under Vern something. For instance, you're just going to drag that, copy it here, copy it in there, and once that's finished copying, I'll come back. Okay, well, we are nearly done here, so basically, we'll pre-type this, so when it's finished, it's all done, but that's all this is basically crap. Okay, don't worry. So we're going to update the boot code now. So basically, if I come up here, where I just copied all those files from was my D drive, and there, blah 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 Win7. Okay, so that's in my D drive. Okay, so basically you have to get, where is it, boot, say boot, and we need to update this bootsec.exe, okay? So we're just going to shut that now. So that was on my D, so if yours is on the desktop, you're just going to go C backslash users backslash your name backslash desktop, and then backslash like what the Windows folder backslash yeah, just that's all you need to do, okay? And then you just hit enter, and that will actually go to the folder. But mine's in D backslash it's been 7. So if we just hit that, no, sorry, we have to go into D. So yeah, and then we just go D / and then my folder. Why isn't it working? D? Oh, CD. Sorry, CD. D / burns 17 there. So now we're in that. I'm just going to type in CD boot, which will get you in the directory there. So that's boot. And then we're going to go boot sect.exe /nt60. Right. And then your drive letter, so this is your drive letter here, it'll say it up here, so mine's I. So if I just hit I, and then colon, and then we just hit enter, and then it'll say here, boot code was successfully updated on all target volumes. Now what you'd want to be doing is you'd be wanting to go to your BIOS in your computer. Every BIOS is different, okay? Now just go into your BIOS and then go to find where it says first boot device, change it to USB or USB HDD, which hard disk drive, and then just hit restart it. If it doesn't pop up, it's like F12 or something, brings up the boot menu, just go the USB and then just hit enter. And if you see down the bottom it says loading Windows or something, and it's like a bar that loads. If you see that, you know you've done it successfully. Now, thank you guys for watching this little quick video. Hope you guys like it. But yeah, see you guys.